Hello, everyone. My name is Ken Fernandez. I will be talking about my time during my master's degree at Fuso University. My bachelor's degree was on computer science, and I want to talk about the courses that I took, and then some future plans that I have, and the things that I really learned during this course. So, first course that I had to take was the research approach in computer science. That's basically reading research papers, understanding them, and finding it how to validate them to be a good research paper with peer reviews and being authenticated. So that is a good initial because everybody that is doing any kind of masters should be able to find information that is already proven by other researchers. So I did enjoy that. It really got me started and thinking. It was a good initial course. So after that, it was the advanced software engineering that was showing me many concepts we development using UI, UML diagrams, other types of documentation, and starting a project. The course it was intense because it was only during 1 month and there was many things to do during that month, but it gave you a sense of the development process, development life cycle that many software developers are abstracted of because they're only using it a portion of that. They only like developing or if they get like a lead position, so they only do the planning. During this course, during that month course, I did the whole life cycle. So it was intense on that part, but it was a good experience. After that, it was the course of data science. It's a hot topic right now. Data science, everybody try to at least understand what it is. And this basically is a course built on gathering, cleaning, and analyzing that data. It was a great course because this course is basically the basis of every the other things that I want to do. That mainly machine learning, deep learning. So in third course, I started out with Python, even though Python is not really my favorite language. I still enjoy the course because the whole concept of analyzing, studying, cleaning, getting data is fascinating to me. Um, it is a great start, and of course, it got me like to really work on my Python skills. So after the data science course, I got data visualization and extension reality. That is a extension of the data science course, but using more plots and more graphics, eh, especially 3D graphics, and actually to visualize more data points. So it was a helpful extension. So extra tools to get you to analyze better the data and that you know and create plots and things like that. So the next course, I believe it is the fourth course or fifth course. Let me count one, two, three, four, five. The fifth course is Advanced Artificial Intelligence. This is mainly a research course, but for understanding the different techniques there are for data science. I fell in love with fuzzy logic. I find it really fascinating, but uh, also understanding how different like MPLs, LLMs work together, also deep learning, and these other concepts that also is it called computer visioning to detect uh, faces or objects and things like that. Understand how all works together into all the techniques work together to get a more robust product with artificial intelligence. So after that course, I actually got my hands a little bit dirty with machine learning, and this course was mostly concentrated on supervised learning. Here, I learned about building classifications and regression models. Classification meaning more categorical types of model, meaning the target is in a more categorical nature. While regression use infinite numbers, it could be flows or any type of number that is fit into a category. So this is a really challenging course, very powerful still. Um, I learned that machine learning right now is actually something really small compared to the whole ecosystem of AI, and really is a good start to, especially using the scikit-learn, that it is the most popular library to build AI on. So great course, really enjoyed it. You take this degree. It's one of the pivot points that will make you think if you really want to do machine learning or any AI type of development. So the next course is the computer human computer interactions. That is also a research type course, but mainly to understand how products are created and what makes a product fail. Having a muy broad product that it just fits for everyone is a bad idea. You need to learn your target audience, the prices, understand that you don't need to do all the functionalities all at the same time. You only need some functionality for your target audience and then grow from there. So after learning that, you you go into more research on that topic and um, understand that process that is really important to create an initial product. So the next course is HIC application. That is basically a extension of human computer interactions. But here we were into more practical sense, choosing colors and making some research plan of the ideal product and create like essays and things like that. Next is the software research planning and design. This is a initial course to start on the project. Here you do the documentation, the research, you do your initial presentation for the project, and all those good things that you had to do in the actually initial any personal project, even in a personal project. So uh, that course is mainly taking like many of the research aspect of the other month and then documenting and building on it. So the next courses is are going to place them together because they are actually one and the same. A software project development one and software project development two. That's basically building your product, building your product and finding the things that you need to do to make everything that you plan on the software project research, everything that you plan to make it happen. So other than that, the last course is actually presenting the project, developing your research, and really finishing things up for your graduation. And you reach that point, graduation in the future. I hope you do it until the end and actually get your master's. The last thing I want to talk about is about my whole learning on the whole course. Is that the course is really powerful. Like I never open up too many future concepts when it comes with development. Even so that is become noticeable that I shouldn't be stopping on my degrees. That reason I bought these two books. Eh, Let me pull one first. Machine Learning with PyTorch and Scikit-learn, and Case Study Research and Applications. One, because I want to do better on research using case study research. There is actually a strong need here in Puerto Rico to have more research done on the population, the needs, and of course because since the degree only went up to machine learning, there's still a lot of things I had to learn about AI to be actually be a killer on that. Other than that, the course is really enjoyable. Hard, it is hard. They have their easy parts, but they also have the hard parts. So when you are in your easy parts, yes, enjoy it, but not get accustomed to it. Um, just get ready mentally for the hard parts, and if you can, like like prepare yourself over study on the hard part so you can actually have a easier time. And I think for the actual project is that concentrate on your main part because you have to pick in between creating a data science project, a human computer interaction project, or a machine learning project. So either one that you pick, concentrate on that. No over complicate your project. Just complicate the task that you actually doing and you actually promise. Um, like even though a project can look much better with other features and some tools into it, if for at least for the key purposes, just concentrate in harnessing that single skills and really returning on that. So if you decide to go to the human computer interaction side of things, you should concentrate hard on delivering a well done product that people will enjoy and understand. If you do it for data science, you have to be able to gather the information and present it in a way that your client or your business can understand it perfectly and see the story behind the data. And if you pick machine learning, make sure that the model is actually working and giving you some decent information back. And stand on those things. Do stand on those things, but not broad with many scales. Just go to that one scale and then that scale, then broad that same scale. Make it more powerful. So other than that, I had nothing else for you. I appreciate you taking your time watching this video and hope that you too, if you taking the master degree, that you do well and that you'll be able to fulfill any dreams that you have. Anything that you have in your mind that you want to complete during after the masters, that you be able to get that. I really do. So that's for now. I appreciate your time. Take care and bye bye.